Hi, we are Team Four Lemurs, and we have built Fiebatt. We are trying to bring surgical video editing into your Claude or Codex agentic workflow. The currently existing MCPs, they are prompt-based. So you give them a prompt and they generate a video for you. And if you want edits, then they generate another video for you. But if you want surgical edits, like the target is only one subject or object, that's when you will use Fiebatt. And this is completely terminal based, so you can use all of it from your codex. So it brings the agentic workflow into your codex by the MCP tool that we are publishing on GitHub Marketplace. Now we will demonstrate how it works.
So let's just select subject here, right? Let's say we want to make this car pink, let's say. So I'll just go and make this car pink. So that's just the idea. So the what we are bringing here is like the tools that you prompt them, you give the video, and then it turns out. What we are trying to achieve is that you want to really codex surgically edit videos directly into your codex app. The entire idea is that we want a seamless integration. So let's say you want to change one specific thing in your shoot. So you don't have to reshoot your entire video, right? You can just select a subject. We use SAM2 for masking, and then it will mask the object. We'll improve the prompt with Gwen. We'll use SAM2 for masking, and then we use OpenAI's clip model to semantically search throughout the entire video and search for any other similar occurrences. The Our entire point is that we want a clipless integration into long videos. So let's say you have a 10-minute video, you cannot process it on Gemini because it's like kind of a clip based. You send a clip, you're limited to 8 to 10 seconds. So what our product allows is that you can maybe take a 10-minute clip. You want that every car in that video, in every let's just say black car in that 10-minute clip should be a yellow car. So just select a black car, you prompted that every black car should be yellow, and then search through the entire 10-minute video, every black car. Then we'll generate small 2 seconds or whatever the time limit is, we'll generate those clips, and then we'll seamlessly integrate that into a 10-minute clip. So the idea is, for example, the original clip, then we insert our generated clip in between those timestamps, and then the original video continues. But the main point here is that it is in seamless integration, so it will always feel like a one shot rather than a cut or a clipping thing that happened between your video. So any user that sees your video, he will not notice that the video is clipped or another clip was edited into the original clip. The main core feature is that we try to preserve each and every variable we can around the subject. So in this example, let's say our only subject is this car that we want to change the color to pink. Now everything else that should stay same, so it does not feel like it was AI generated.
So this is how it works. From the codex terminal or the website that you just saw, you can just input your prompt along with the video. And instead of just sending a prompt to the video editing model, actually extracts all the meaningful context from that video, like where the playhead is located, the range of video that needs to be edited, the exact subject that we want to edit. And we use SAM2 and clip model for extracting that object, masking it with exact boundaries, and searching for it across the entire video. And after that, it all goes to the model that we're using, which is a van, or we can use other provider as well, like View. And then they provide a edited clip, which is then reviewed by our agents. And once it is accepted, then you get a view of it. So you can compare it against your original video and either reject it, accept it, or tell it to make some more changes.
So this is just basic overview of every step that we're doing. We are also running evaluating hook. So let's say the video that is generated by our model is not up to the mark, so we'll ask it to remix it till we get a respectable video that we can finally integrate into our video. And then after reiterating, if it has to multiple times, this is the output result. So right now it is only one variant, but we can configure it for two variants, three variants, and whatever the user likes, you can select it. And then as you can see that everything from the video except the subject was preserved as it is. So if we take a look, uh, this is the original video, right? And then this is what we our product generated. And as you can see, it is preserving everything around lighting, context, and everything is just as it is, and only the subject that we wanted to change. Now this is a small clip that we're using for demo. This can be done for longer clips, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it will just chunk the video and just process them individually, so we don't hit the limits either. Thanks.